Hello everyone, very pleasant morning to all. I am Geeta Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kastinadar College of Arts and Science. Shall we continue our types of audit? In this presentation, we are going to see about the types of audit. In the types of audit, we are going to focus on cost audit. Because this cost audit is very important topic, in this presentation, we will only going to focus on cost audit alone. What is cost audit? In simple term, cost audit is an audit process of verification of cost of production of any article on the basis of accounts as regards utilization of materials, labor and other item of cost maintained by the company. So the cost auditor is expected to examine the cost books. The cost audit is an preventive measures and a guide for the management policy, and in addition it is a barometer of performance. When we take the objectives of cost audit, there is two type of objectives. One is general objective, another is social objectives. First we will see what is general objectives. Detection of errors and frauds, verification of the accuracy of the books of accounts, correct valuation of work in progress, verification of the total cost of each product, etc. are important. Especially, cost audit helps in verifying that the each cost of each unit, that is, cost per unit, is ascertained correctly. And then cost audit helps to identify the indeficiencies or the inefficiencies in the use of material, labor and machines, and to assess the management thereby. So, and then verification of cost, that is, cost audit is undertaken to verify the accuracy of cost accounts with a view to ascertain that these have been properly maintained or not. And then it facilitates verification of inventories and helps in determining the value of inventory. Next one is social objectives. What are the social objectives? Proper utilization of resources, increase productivity, reduces per unit cost and benefits the society. So when there is a productivity is increasing, obviously it is very helpful to the society. And then facilitating settlement of bills for the cost plus contract entered into by the government. So government will come to know what is happening in the industries. They can interfere, they can do some benefits to the people. And the areas of inefficiency and mismanagement can be pinpointed. So it is very benefit to the shareholders and customers. And then by using the information from cost audit, the government can take proper decision about the extent to which subsidy should be granted to those companies. That is, if the company required any help from the government can provide that benefit to that particular company, not only to that company, commonly the government can help to that sectors. So these are the social benefits we are getting from the cost audit. When we take the cost audit, there is lot of advantages to the management, shareholders, government and society. First, we will see the advantages to the shareholders. So, it is proper maintenance of records. When the books and records are recorded properly, it will be useful for the shareholders to verify it. And then, proper utilization of funds. The shareholders are investing some money. So, their expectation is to use the money properly. So, through the cost audit, they will come to know how the money has been properly used. So, assurance of proper working. The shareholders will come to know about the working, how the working is done on the company. So these are some of the benefits to the shareholders. How this cost audit is helpful to the management? First, it provides necessary information for prompt decision making. That is, the management of the company can take proper decision about fixation of selling prices of its product by using cost audit, which provides within an accurate, clear and reliable data. And then it helps management to regulate production. That is, cost audit helps to measure the productivity of various departments and report it to the management with suggestions. So inefficiencies in the working performance of the company can be brought to light. This enables the management to control inefficiencies and increase the productivity. And it also provides accurate information about cost of production and cost of sales to the management. How this cost audit is useful to the society? Cost audit helps in improving the efficiency and productivity of the companies with results in proper utilization of resources and improved standard of living of the people. So when the productivity is increasing, it reflects in the people's life. People will get a job, they will get a salary, their life will be, the living standard of living will be increased. And the cost audit provides suggestions for new methods and alternative of idle resources. So they are getting a new ideas. It helps in reduction of unemployment problem in the society. So when they are getting a new methods and new ideas, it will help the people to come forward for the new productions. How does cost audit reflect in the government field? It helps to ascertain whether any particular industry should be given any subsidy to develop that industry. It provides reliable data to the government for fixing up the selling prices of the various commodities. Okay, so the government can fix the right price and the government will come to know the difficulties of the industries also, so that they can provide any subsidy to the industries, such industries. And it helps in fixing contract prices in a cost plus contract. That is, it will be very useful. This cost audit will be very useful for fixing the prices of the product. Till now we have seen the advantages of cost audit. Shall we go to the limitations? Yes. Maintenance of cost accounts and other documents recording cost data involves additional expenditure for the company. So it is unnecessary and it is costly also. So the small business concern cannot adopt this cost accounting system. And then the maintenance of cost accounts records data is concerned a duplication of work which involves loss of time and also money. And the shareholders of the company do not get copy of the cost audit report. It is submitted by the cost auditor to the central government and to the management of the company. So the shareholders will not get any details about the cost auditing. And then it is sometimes the results are misleaded also. So I hope you must have learned something about the cost audit. Thank you very much for everyone who have listened to me. And then there is 2 more auditors there that we will continue on our next presentation. Thank you guys. Thank you.